What is up, you sexy bitches? I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I have never been dissatisfied. Well, that's a lie. Taco Bell has satisfied me more than any man ever has. I'm gonna take that and run with it. That's Taco Bell love right there.
Sometimes when you have to fart, do you ever like spread your butt cheeks so that it comes out like instead of like a fart noise?
No.
Me neither.
I just can't think right now. I can't.
Oh my god.
Waffles.
Oh my god.
Definitely belongs in my Disneyland cup. Can you hear me fart?
Oh my god. Look at her butt. It is so big. She looks like one of those.
So, for some reason, people keep asking me for more of this content. So, here you go.
What the fuck? I felt that in my belly.
Cuídense mucho, oigan. Me acaban de mandar este pedo.